The Zendure A3 TC. It's built as a tank and looks like a suitcase. But is it worth your money? We're going to check it out. The design aspect of this power bank is the main reason to buy this. It's extremely durable and can even be run over by a car. Inside are premium battery cells, which make sure the charge of the power bank lasts up to 6 months without using it. Besides the regular USB output, you also get a Type-C output and input. Looks pretty nice, but not everything is perfect. The A3TC is thick and heavy, and it also comes at a pretty steep price of $40, although you get some cool accessories in the box. One thing that isn't featured is the Quick Charge 3.0, which is a bummer. Overall, the Zendure A3 TC looks awesome, works great, and besides charging your phone, you can use this as a self-defense weapon.